This is the entire GCSE chemistry course for AQA GCSE Paper 1. What is the mass of an electron? It is negligible, zero, almost zero, or very small. What is the atomic number? A sum of. The atomic number is actually just how many protons there are in the atom. What is an isotope? An isotope is a different form of the same element. It has the same number of protons, but a different number of neutrons. Name a technique for separating compounds in a mixture. You could have said paper chromatography. Give 2 ways to separate soluble solids from a solution. You could have said evaporation or crystallization. Now, if you said filtration, this is actually for insoluble solids. What is the advantage of using fractional distillation over simple distillation? Well, fractional distillation is more complicated, and it can be used to separate mixtures of liquids even if their boiling points are really close together. So if you've got boiling points that are really similar, you need to use fractional distillation, because distillation will not work as it only separates boiling points which are far apart. Who designed the plum pudding model and when? This was J.J. Thomson in 1897. Which experiment to prove the plum pudding model incorrect did Rutherford conduct? This was firing alpha particles at an atom. How did Mendeleev order his periodic table, and what were some things that he did differently? Well, he mostly ordered by atomic mass, but he did swap around some elements according to their physical structure and the way that they reacted. He also left gaps in his periodic table where he predicted elements would be introduced in the future. What is a key use of transition metal compounds? They are really good catalysts. And what happens in terms of the trend as you go down the group of alkali metals? They become increasingly more reactive, and this is because the outer electron is more easily lost as we are increasing the amount of electron shells. Action is being separated. What happens when you react an alkali metal with water? Well, you produce